Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to paint using shaving cream, a spatula, and some food coloring. So first of all, I'm just going to get some Gillette shaving cream, shake it up, and just place it on my paper. If you want to see more videos like this one, check out my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I do a new video. At the end, I will be doing some shout-outs to all the people who have been commenting on my recent videos. So, let's get started. Alright. You're going to just put your shaving cream in a little shaving motion like that. And you're going to take your spatula and you're going to just spread it a little bit, like so. Just spread it smoothly out. And don't forget, if you'd like to add some color, you can add some shaving cream, some food coloring to give it a little pop. Thank you so much to 5 Minute Crafts for giving me these ideas, because they have a lot of cool art videos. If you guys want to check this one, a project similar to this one, you can check out 5 Minute Crafts Teens, and they do a lot of fun crafts to do when you're home in quarantine. Now I'm going to be mixing up the colors with my spatula, just spreading it out and giving it that pop. As you guys can see, it is turning into a beautiful piece of abstract art. I'm using one of my very thick, large sketchbooks so that the colors can really blend in. And since the paper is very thick and not so light, it's going to be easier to blend in all of the colors. So you guys can see the shaving cream is flattening out a little bit more, and it's very smooth, and it's looking very, very fun and light and colorful. If you guys want to see more art videos like this, check out my latest video, which was all about how to make a stamp art tree, which is a really fun project if you want to do it for Mother's Day, since Mother's Day is coming up in a few weeks. I'll be doing Mother's Day crafts video for the people in quarantine so that you guys can see what exactly you guys can do for your moms this year. Instead of going to buy something, you can make something handmade. As you guys can see, my masterpiece is already done. It only took me a matter of minutes, and it was much more fun than using a bunch of paints and making a huge mess. Hey guys, so if you saw my video, I'm going to be doing shoutouts now. The first shoutout goes to Jackson Animation, who said, "Great video, very cool," and I subscribed. And Lit Sayuna, who said, "Hi." In my other video, there was someone who commented dreams and wishes on my DIY dream draw video. I got a comment saying, "Awesome vid, hashtag dreams and wishes," and Empress said, "Awesome girl." And Raquel said, "Awesome vid, hashtag dreams and wishes." Thank you all to the people who subscribed and the people who commented on my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. Please continue to comment. Saying nice things and commenting will get you a chance at a shout out. Thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and here is my end result, which is a very fun, colorful, and light project. And here you guys go. Here it is, my beautiful shaving cream art. If you guys want to see more of my art videos, check out my channel, Emma's Exciting Life, and subscribe to get more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below what art project you guys will be doing this week. Bye!